having done like super first class interiors, never been able to fly those, to now I can get on any flight and see something that I'm part of, which is a lot more fun.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Boeing.
Welcome to Harper Engineering. My name is Ryan Funk. I'm one of the program managers here. We're in Renton, Washington. We've been around for 55 plus years, and we support aerospace interiors. So I love to say we do hinges, latches, and widgets, small parts on big airplanes.
So in this area, what you'll see is behind me here is basically component inventory. It comes in the door and it flows through the factory this way. It'll make more sense in a second. But as we go down, you'll see entry point cells here. And these entry point cells basically are where the product comes in, and then it gets staged through the different tables and then put onto the cart systems that are then run through part marking, logistics, and etc. In the machine shop, there's a variety of different kinds of machines. There'll be vertical mills, horizontal mills, turning mills. So this is one of our turning mills. Out of that machine, feedstock, this comes out in a single operation. So it's threaded, it's knurled, has multiple layers, and it's also threaded into the pocket. That all comes out in one single machining. What we're working on and focusing on is finding people who are open and interested in training, and we hire more for attitude, and we focus in on technical training. We've all been given a chance in life, so we like to pass that along to somebody else. You know, you tell your kids what you do and they're like, oh, okay, I never see it. Then you get on a 737 and show them that latch comes from the company that I work for, and they go, oh, okay, that's cool. It's different. You know, it's a lot more rewarding.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Boeing.